Hello, today I'm going to show you how to sync your text messages from iPhone to Mac. Let's start. First of all, open up the System Preferences from the bottom menu bar and click on Apple ID from here. Then from your Apple ID, click on Password and Security from the left side menu bar. Make sure you have turned on two-factor authentication. After that, click on the Launchpad and open up the Messages app. Then in the menu at the top, click on Messages and go into its settings. Now from the top menu bar, select iMessages. Then click the checkbox of Enable Messages in iCloud. After that, your messages will be synced from your iPhone to your Mac. Now to sync your SMS text messages from your iPhone to your Mac, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down in Settings and tap on Messages. Then from Messages, click on Text Message Forwarding. From here, you can allow devices that are signed into the same Apple ID as your iPhone will appear in a list. Tap to turn on the Mac device you want to sync your text messages to. If prompted, enter the code that appears on your Mac screen into your iPhone to confirm. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this. At Explain Me How, we're solving new problems every day.